Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Nature Wonders for You YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the mesmerizing beauty of Switzerland, and more specifically, the enchanting town of Grindelwald. Nestled in the heart of the Swiss Alps, Grindelwald is a haven for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. So, grab your virtual backpacks as we embark on a journey through this picturesque destination. The Eiger village of Grindelwald in the Bernese Oberland lies embedded in a welcoming and green hollow, surrounded by a commanding mountainscape with the Eiger north face and the Wetterhorn. This mountainscape and the numerous lookout points and activities make Grindelwald one of the most popular and cosmopolitan holiday and excursion destinations in Switzerland, and the largest ski resort in the Jungfrau region. Thanks to its magnificent vista and the glacier which once reached right into the basin, Grindelwald attracted its first guests, primarily the English, from the end of the 18th century onwards. The actual breakthrough of alpinism occurred in the mid-19th century, and local mountain guides climbed the peaks of the region with English tourists. The first ascent of the Eiger, the most difficult of alpine mountains, took place in 1858. Road and railway construction made Grindelwald much more accessible towards the end of the 19th century, which in turn also heralded the onset of winter tourism. The first cableway in the Alps was built here in 1908 on the Wetterhorn. And in 1912, a railway reached the Jungfrau via Kleine Scheidegg. Today the top of Europe still remains Europe's highest railway station and a world-renowned excursion destination within permanent snow and ice. As we make our way to Grindelwald, the first thing that captivates the senses is the breathtaking scenery. Surrounded by towering mountains, lush green meadows, and pristine lakes, Grindelwald is a visual masterpiece. The fresh mountain air and the sound of cascading waterfalls create a serene atmosphere that instantly transports you to a world of tranquility. In summer there are 300 kilometers of walking trails around Grindelwald. The high-altitude walk from Grindelwald first along the Bachelpsee to the Fallhorn Mountain Hotel and then on to the Skinage Platte ranks among the most beautiful hikes of the region. An easy walk with fantastic views of the three world-famous mountains of the Eiger, Munch and Jungfrau leads from the Mannlichen up onto the Kleine Scheidegg. But Grindelwald is not just about its captivating views, it's also a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. The region offers a plethora of activities for every season. In winter, The snow-covered landscapes transform into a winter wonderland, inviting skiers and snowboarders to carve through the slopes. And when the snow melts, the hiking trails reveal themselves, providing endless opportunities to explore the alpine beauty on foot. In winter, the two ski regions of First and Kleine Scheidegg, Mannlichen, Wengen offer 160 kilometers of pistes with around 30 lifts reaching up to an altitude of 2,500 meters. The Skilthorn near Mürren, also part of the Jungfrau region ski arena, even reaches 2,971 meters. But the most spectacular piste of the region is without doubt the Lauberhorn piste near Wengen, popularized by the World Cup Circus. Choose from 80 kilometers of winter walking trails with views across 7 4,000-meter peaks and majestic glaciers, as well as 60 kilometers of toboggan runs, including, at 15 kilometers, one of the longest toboggan runs in the Alps from the Fallhorn into the valley. Naturally, Grindelwald also has many further winter sports on offer. Beyond its natural wonders, Grindelwald also boasts a rich cultural charm. The village itself is a blend of traditional Swiss architecture and modern amenities. Take a stroll through the cobblestone streets lined with charming chalets, and you'll feel like you've stepped into a fairy tale. The locals are warm and welcoming, adding to the overall inviting atmosphere of the town. Grindelwald is also a gateway to the Jungfrau region, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Jungfrau, Eiger, and Munch peaks dominate the skyline, creating a jaw-dropping panorama. A must-do is the Jungfrau railway journey, often referred to as the top of Europe, where you can witness the mesmerizing landscapes from the highest railway station in Europe. On the top of Europe, a visit to the Jungfrau puts a jewel in the crown of any visit to Switzerland. For more than 100 years, the Jungfrau Railway has been making its journey to Europe's highest altitude railway station at 3,454 meters, right at the heart of the UNESCO heritage site Swiss Alps Jungfrau Allach. All through the year, the Cog Railway runs steeply up through a tunnel to the Jungfrau from Kleine Scheidegg. The tunnel leading up from the station Eiger Gletscher is 7 kilometers in length and was built between 1896 and 1912. One stop within the tunnel offers spectacular views onto the glacier world outside through windows in the Eiger north face. On the summit, visitors are greeted by a high alpine wonder world made of ice, snow and rocks. All of this can be marveled at from the viewing platform Sphinx and Plateau on the Aletsch Glacier or from the Ice Palace. With the opening of the Eiger Express on December 5, 2020, the Jungfrau Railway's V-Bahn project was completed, enabling the journey from Interlaken to the Jungfrau in just 1.5 hours. From the terminal in Grindelwald, a 3S cableway takes you directly to the station Eiger Gletscher in 15 minutes. Once at the top, there is even more time to enjoy the panorama and the adventure world. More about the Eiger Express. The Jungfrau region consists of the Kleine Scheidegg, Mannlichen ski resort, together with the two subregions Grindelwald First and Mountainscape. Smoothest enjoyment reigns in the Mannlichen region, with perfectly groomed pistes and wide slopes leading down the valley to Grindelwald. Here's the place to admire the imposing silhouettes of the Eiger, Munch and Jungfrau and wonderful Grindelwald Valley, but whichever way you look at things, you can't easily forget this special place. Mountainscape is the highest skiing area in the Bernese Oberland, and it is precisely this mountain that James Bond also skied down, because around 56 years ago the filming of the legendary Bond film on Her Majesty's Secret Service took place here. Both beginners and professionals can prove their skills here on around 50 kilometers of pistes. Grindelwald First. Visitors with a particular thirst for sunshine will get their money's worth in the Grindelwald First ski area. The sunniest ski area in the Jungfrau region has 56 kilometers of pistes and is directly connected to the Grindelwald Wengen ski area. The highlights of this ski area in the Bernese Oberland include the snow park for freestylers, which has routes for both beginners and professionals. As a visitor to Grindelwald First, you also have to see the ski cross course. Pure adrenaline. Grindelwald Wengen. With a direct view of the ice giants Eiger, Munch, and Jungfrau, a unique panorama awaits you in the Grindelwald Wengen ski area. Energetic winter sports enthusiasts can let off steam on the approximately 103 kilometers of pistes. Due to the predominantly red-marked slopes, the skiing area in the Bernese Oberland has a lot to offer, especially for advanced skiers. Experienced skiers also have the opportunity to race down the world-famous Wetterhorn World Cup run. Despite all this, beginners are not left out. A long blue run leads from the mountain station over Kleine Scheidegg to Brandegg. In conclusion, Grindelwald is a gem in the Swiss Alps that offers a perfect blend of natural beauty, outdoor adventures, and cultural richness. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or someone seeking a peaceful retreat, Grindelwald has something for everyone. So, if you ever find yourself dreaming of a Swiss escape, make sure to put Grindelwald at the top of your travel bucket list. Thanks for joining us on this virtual journey, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, happy exploring. Thanks for watching Nature Wonders for You YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other travel guides and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. See you in the next video.